Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel. This video will be an update of the equipment maintenance, stuff that we're getting ready and I'm not able to do videos of by themselves. First thing is this manure spreader. In the video that I put out of while I was actually spreading, you guys might have heard some loud noise, and here there was a bearing wore out. It's right there. I did get a replacement bearing, but we just have to put it on. And where you see that hole back there is basically where it sits. And when I looked at the sprayer before I bought it, that deal there was all the way back, so there's no way I could have seen that was worn. Yeah, I'm hoping today that we can get that bearing put in there. Now on this disc ripper, somehow the handle broke off, so I found a scrap piece here and welded it nice and solid here, and so now we have a place to grab onto and turn the crank around, raise and lower that jack as we need to, hook this on. And here, this front gang here we found might have been loose the whole time, and to where it was operable but not completely tight. Yeah, we had to grind a little lip off, so I thought this spacer here could slide all the way in like that. Now we're trying to determine what kind of spacers and stuff we need to make sure that's tight. And this was worn down too from the bearing going out, so we filled that in. And then this tractor here is completely ready to go. We're able to get a makeshift screen done, and I got it greased and worked with the shifter so that's loose, and yeah, we were on earlier and aired up a bunch of tires, and so yeah, the tractors are all ready to go, and including this one. So this will probably be the first tractor that you see a fieldwork video from when things are ready to go. Probably about the only thing I've seen so far is, or anywhere near me, is manure, or bigger operators without livestock are getting rocks picked off, and there's anhydrous ammonia going on in some places, and somehow they don't have. I guess they must not have wet spots in those fields. And then on the corn planter, we found that it was the cylinder itself that was leaking. That was on the marker, and not one of the hoses. So, I pulled that off, and now I gotta pull it apart and see what all it takes to get that fixed so it doesn't leak anymore. I mean, I would show you that, but I know I can't anymore. And now what could make the whole thing worse is that, fields and everything are finally starting to dry out, and then tonight and off and on tomorrow and into Monday morning, they're talking that the area I'm in is supposed to see 1 to 2 inches of white shit. Which, number one, it's generally too late to have to deal with that shit, and number two, could easily end up being more of a setback now than it would have been, even a month ago. Because now fields are finally drying out and frost is gone for the most part, and what could happen is that white shit might, seal it up, as if, just like putting a lid on a pickle jar or peanut butter jar or something you'd have around the house. What that could end up doing, and that's what we don't want to happen. I sure hope they're all wrong as far as the estimate totals, and to where we just get a coating, or maybe even nothing at all. It would be the best. I mean, rain will certainly dry out a lot sooner than white shit probably will. So there you go, and here's a little update for you guys on where things are at with getting equipment ready to go. And I know you saw this tractor throughout most of this video, but and I guess that's the way it goes in this case, and it wasn't a whole lot that I could show to begin with. But yeah, the corn planter now is, you know, in a position to where I can get around to it and grease it up and oil all the chains, so there will be videos coming on that now, finally. And then that's about all I can show you otherwise as far as videos go of getting stuff ready for spring. And aside from preparing stuff for spring field work, the good thing is that I have now surpassed 1,000 subscribers, which that'll, number one, make me eligible to get monetized, and number two, I do not have to rely solely on the computer if I wanted live stream. I can turn on my phone or any mobile device now and do live streams from there. So I mean, I could still do it from the computer if that's what works out, but by having 1,000 subscribers, I'm not limited to that anymore. So with that, I thank you guys for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate that. Be sure to click on the like button and be sure to click on the subscribe button. And then once you're subscribed, then be sure to click on the bell, and then you'll get notified whenever a new video gets posted to the channel. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. And thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you later.